Welcome to AgilityPortal's Ideation Hub, where you can enable employees to contribute their ideas and solutions to challenges in your organization easily and effectively. Our Ideation Hub is a highly configurable idea management module that makes it simple to capture, evaluate, and take action on ideas from those who know your organization the best. With our Ideation Hub, you can launch targeted innovation challenges, add points, vote, comment, and share ideas, and even use gamification to incentivize participation. Let's dive right in and see how it works. Challenges can sometimes disrupt your workflow unexpectedly, but with our Ideation Hub, you can collect targeted ideas from your team or an entire organization and facilitate real-time collaboration. To start, let's create a challenge. Let's get started. Click on Create to open the Create Challenge modal. Enter the required information such as title, description, and instructions, and select a category. Then set the start and end date, which will present the challenge in the participant's calendar with a countdown. Enter the points that each participant will gain on submitting ideas and add any additional information, tags, and a cover image. Once you're done, the challenge will be created. Next, click on Manage and then Add Participants to add members to the challenge. Now the challenge is ready to go. To add an idea, click on the Idea tab and then click on Submit Idea. A pop-up will appear allowing you to enter the idea information, fill in the title and description, and upload a cover image. Then enter the status and complete the rest of the information as required. Great! You now have your first idea in the challenge. To vote for an idea, click on the points you want to assign to it. You can also leave feedback by liking or disliking the idea and leaving a comment. Here are the different views of the collective ideas, like Timeline View, Camden View, and List View, etc. We hope you enjoyed this brief demonstration of AgilityPortal's Ideation Hub and how powerful this module can be in engaging your team in organizational challenges. Try it out and see how it can enhance idea generation and collaboration in your organization.